Welcome to our financial planning session. Today, we'll be discussing how to create a budget, which is an essential tool for managing your finances and achieving your financial goals. A budget is a financial plan that helps you track your income and expenses. By creating a budget, you can identify areas where you can reduce expenses and save more money. The first step in creating a budget is to identify all sources of income, including your salary, bonuses, and any other sources of income. Make sure you have an accurate picture of your total monthly income. For more, I have already created detailed video for assessing your financial health. I have provided link in description. Next, make a list of all your monthly expenses, including housing, food, transportation, utilities, and entertainment. Be sure to categorize your expenses and prioritize your needs over wants. Make sure to include all your regular monthly expenses and any irregular or one-time expenses. For more, I have already created detailed video for assessing your financial health. I have provided link in description. Once you have identified your income and expenses, calculate your total monthly income and total monthly expenses. Subtract your total monthly expenses from your total monthly income to determine your disposable income. For more, I have already created detailed video for assessing your financial health. I have provided link in description. If your expenses are higher than your income, you need to adjust your expenses to balance your budget. Identify areas where you can reduce expenses, such as eating out less often or finding cheaper alternatives for utilities. You may also need to consider increasing your income by taking on a part-time job or negotiating a raise at work. Once you have created your budget, it's important to track your spending to make sure you are sticking to your plan. You can use a spreadsheet or a budgeting app to track your expenses and income. Make sure to adjust your budget as needed and review it regularly to make sure you are on track to meet your financial goals. Consider using the 50-30-20 rule. This is a popular budgeting rule where you allocate 50% of your income towards needs, 30% towards wants, and 20% towards savings and debt repayment. This can be a helpful guideline to ensure you are prioritizing your expenses and saving enough for your financial goals. Set smart financial goals. When creating your budget, it's important to have specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart financial goals in mind. This can help motivate you to stick to your budget and make smarter financial decisions. For more, I have already created detailed video for the key to financial success. Setting smart goals. I have provided link in description. Use cash for discretionary spending. If you find yourself overspending on discretionary items like dining out or entertainment, consider using cash instead of credit cards. This can help you better track your spending and stick to your budget. Be mindful of lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation occurs when you start spending more money as your income increases. Be mindful of this and make sure to adjust your budget accordingly to avoid overspending. Don't forget about emergency funds. It's important to have an emergency fund set aside in case of unexpected expenses or income loss. Make sure to allocate a portion of your income towards this fund each month. Plan for long-term expenses. In addition to regular monthly expenses, make sure to plan for long-term expenses like home repairs, car maintenance, or retirement savings. This can help you avoid financial stress in the future. Review and adjust your budget regularly. Your budget is not set in stone, so make sure to review it regularly and make adjustments as needed. This can help you stay on track with your financial goals and avoid overspending. Creating a budget is an important tool for managing your finances and achieving your financial goals. To create a budget, you need to identify your income and expenses, calculate your disposable income, adjust your expenses as needed, and track your spending. By creating and sticking to a budget, you can reduce your expenses, save more money, and achieve your long-term financial goals. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you all the best in your financial planning endeavors.